Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to be making a keychain pouch. So you're going to need a keychain clasp or split ring, a needle and thread, some scissors, a hair tie, 6 pieces of 4.5 by 4.5 inch fabric. You're going to take 4 pieces of that fabric, fold them in half, and interlace them. And then you're going to put the last 2 pieces back to back and align those to the back of the 4 interlaced pieces. You want to make sure that all the folds are facing toward the center so that the open ends of the fabric are facing out on the edges of the square that you form from the 4 interlocking pieces. Once you have the fabric laid out, then you want to draw or trace a circle in the center of the fabric. It should be about 3 3/4 inches in diameter. When using a lighter fabric, it's better to use something lighter to draw or trace the circle onto the fabric. That way it doesn't show through when it's finished. Once you have the circle drawn onto the fabric, you just want to sew around that edge. Alright, and once you're almost done sewing around the entire circle, you just want to take a second to slip the hair tie around the keychain clasp and put that through so that the cut ends of the hair tie are on the outside of the fabric, which means the keychain clasp will be in between the layers of fabric. That way when you're done and you turn everything inside out, it's on the right side so you can attach it to something. So once you have that in between the layers of fabric, then you just want to continue to sew up the last of the circle. To make sure that the keychain clasp is really attached, make sure to go through the hair tie elastic a couple of times, and then knot the thread to finish it. Once you're done sewing, you just want to cut off any of the excess fabric and elastic. That way it doesn't take up space in the keychain pouch when it's done. Then you just want to turn everything inside out. And there you have it. You have a keychain pouch. It's great for storing earbuds, other knickknacks, and accessories, and it can attach to a backpack or purse. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.